गोवा मायल्सान गोंयांत येवपी पर्यटकांक गोंयांतल्या पर्यटन स्थळां विशीं म्हायती मेळची म्हूण गोवा मायल्स मॅगझिनाचें विमोचन केलां. ह्या मॅगझिनांत गोंयांतल्या पर्यटन स्थळां विशीं म्हायती आसा. मुखेलमंत्री सावंताच्या हस्तुकीं ह्या मॅगझिनाचें विमोचन पणजेंत केलां. मुखेलमंत्री सावंतान ताची तोखणाय करून आभार मानल्यात.
Congratulations for all the award winners of the Goa Miles staffs. Congratulations for all of you. Wonderful, you are doing a good job. I think the Goa Miles started the well-organized business in the state of Goa. Earlier, this is the travel business. Actually, is not in organized manner. With the safety, security of the tourist, you are taking care, and of course, the rate, which also you are taking care. Now the initial stage, there is very much pressure on me when you are initially started the Goa Miles. So many people, so many organizations, so many associations, they put the pressure to at least stop this Goa Miles. Otherwise, you convert it in other app and so many things. Otherwise, restrict them from here, restrict them from there. But there are just so many people, so many other organizations also stood behind me firmly, and they supported me. Well, my cabinet colleagues also, they have supported me. So no, this time we won't ban, because many a times the more and more tourist people wants to come to Goa, and if there are some people, I think they'll spoil the name of the state of Goa because of this, the taxi purpose. Then it is will won't bear it. That's why we have supported for the Goa Miles. So definitely we'll consult all the stakeholders from the tourists. We'll take them on board. We'll take their ideas also. That is more and more important. Otherwise, they are working in the field, and without their idea, it is not possible for the state government also to come up with the new policy. Definitely, I am telling behalf of the government. So we'll take all the people on the board, and we'll finalize with the touristic new policy. And that will help for the coming season.
देशांतल्या खंयच्याच राज्यान खाजगी संस्थेक ॲप बेस्ड टॅक्सी सर्व्हिस सुरवात करपा खातीर तेंको दिवंक ना, सोडून गोंय राज्य. गोंय राज्यान ॲप बेस्ड टॅक्सी सर्व्हिस सुरवात करपा खातीर गोंय सरकारान मदत केल्ल्यान गोंय सरकार आनी सरकारांतल्या मंत्र्यांचे गोवा मायल्साचो MD उत्कर्श दाभाडेन आभार मानल्यात. वर्सभरान गोवा मायल्सा कडेन नोंदणी केल्ल्या सुमार 1600 टॅक्सींनी सुमार 4 लाख भाडी मारिल्ल्याची म्हायती दाभाडेन दिल्या.
So this is the journey for us for the last 16 months, what we achieved so far when Goa Miles has been started. So I proudly say that it's almost 1,600 active vehicles out of registered 1,900 vehicles which are there with us. We have crossed almost 4 lakh trips. That encompasses, almost 1 million passenger experience over there. If I consider a 2.5 passenger per vehicle, that's considering the average of 2 or 3 people. If you see, how the travel miles we are trying to connect as a second dot for Goa Mile. This particular magazine will be in-car magazine as India's first magazine for the passengers and the tourists coming to Goa to give a better experience and to connect the other experiences, what is best possible at Goa here. Rather taking much time on this, I'd like to again say thanks to Honorable Chief Minister for all the hard stand what he has taken. I'm saying hard stand in the sense, first time we have seen in the country, a state is initiating something. And Goa is witness for many things was the first in India. So Goa is also one of the example. None of the state in India has initiated any program where the taxi aggregation is a charter for the state government. And this government has really shown the spine, and that spine is not I'll say it's a metallic spine. The way, it's witnessed, during the tough stand, and there was a, repulsion over there. In a larger interest, I really thankful to this Iron Man, the stand what is taken and supported Goa Miles. Thanks a lot.